The dynamic duo is back. What's good? You want to do the intro, Dre?
We back.
We back. We're getting it in. We're currently walking through my backyard. We're gonna go try and get bait out of my creek because today we could possibly be getting into some big largemouth. We're gonna be going out to a lake that I fish all the time in the summer, and we catch multiple big bass out of it. I've never ice fished it before, and frankly haven't ice fished that much this year because we haven't had the weather for it. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see what happens, but it's a beautiful day, guys. It's honestly way too hot to even be wearing a coat right now. It's like 40 degrees. Gotta love Ohio. One day it's 9, one day it's negative, and the next day it's 50. So we're gonna be ice fishing in like hoodies today, and it's gonna be sweet. But like I said, guys, we're literally actually in my hunting area on my property. We're going down to the creek to see if we can access some open water to try and catch some creek chubs, and we're gonna lay out some live bait for some big largemouth bass. So it should be exciting. And
how do you know the
we probably should have brought the auger.
How do you know the stream's good? How do you know the stream's not frozen?
It is frozen. I can almost guarantee it's frozen. I'm an idiot and didn't think about my creek being completely frozen over after it's been negative temperatures all week. Let's just use a big rock. Oh, we were able to find a cinder block. That's about it, because all the other rocks are frozen. So I can't believe I've never seen my creek this frozen. So we're gonna try just throwing the cinder block up in the air and seeing what happens. Yep, we gotta get the auger. So Dre's going to get the auger. So I'm hoping, like, I've never tried to microfish through the ice for minnows. So this should be kind of interesting. This will be kind of cool. And maybe we'll film that a little bit, so we got a little bit of a micro fishing segment going on, and then hopefully some big old bass are gonna get pulled through the ice. All right, we're back. Dre got the auger. He's gonna drill a hole. If you guys ever ice fished in a creek, leave me a comment down below. But let's get to it. To give you guys a gist of how cold it's been in Ohio, my creek, running water, has about 9 inches of ice on it. Like, I can't even grip my hand around it. Well, let's see if the minnows are biting, because this lake's gonna be twice as thick as this. All right, guys, we got a hill drilled, and boom, that's exactly what we were looking for today. We're looking for these big old creek chubs. I'm not gonna bring a bunch of these. We're gonna get maybe 4 or 5 of them, and we're gonna take them with us. But that's exactly what we came here for today. I'm just gonna take that one with me, and then we're gonna focus on fishing other baits like spoons, worms, maggots, and stuff like that, because it's unfortunately about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We have a half-hour drive to this lake. We're running out of daylight here, so I wanna maximize the most amount of time we can for fishing today. So let's go catch some big bass. We're gonna pack it up, and I really hope this works, guys, because this could be super, super, super sick. Here we go, guys, about 2.5 hours later after lollygagging, taking some Walmart travel trips, etc. We made it out onto the lake. I've never ice fished here before, but there are some freaking tanks in here. So the worst part is this is like a 2.5 acre lake, and I have no Vexilar, I have no flash or any kind of way to indicate where the fish are at or if the fish are near. So I'm going all off my mental state of just relating to places that I would fish in the summer and hoping that these fish are there. Why do I not spend the money on a flasher and stuff like that? Well, guys, that stuff's super expensive, and like, this is my 4th time ice fishing here this year, and like, it'll probably be one of the last, because that's just the weather here in Ohio. Like, it's 50 degrees out right now. We just happened to get like a polar vortex. We're gonna set up, we're gonna get everything started, drill some holes, and hopefully get into some big fish. We'll throw the GoPro on. You guys know the deal. I'm freaking amped. I hope you guys are amped, because I'm amped. Let's catch some biggins. I'm putting a jig head on, and I'm gonna throw this one creek chub I caught with a rod holder down in this hole right here. Hopefully, guys, I'm straight up guessing. I don't got a flasher. I've never ice fished here before. I caught a 4-pounder right off this peak right here, and I know it's like probably about 6 foot of water right here, so it should be prime territory. We're gonna take this guy. Hope he gets eaten. We're gonna hook him through the face like this. I can't believe I caught this that quick through the ice as it was. And we're just gonna, let this guy, see if he'll even sink. You know what, I'm just gonna let him go all the way down and see what happens. Alrighty, guys, so we're set up. We got the minnow down. We have this rod holder right here. If something bites it, it should go off right there. Make sure my drag is set, so we should be good. I'll put it on a little bit looser just in case, because we're only running 4-pound line. All right, first one down. 'Cause 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 Update, we had one bite on the big creek chub. Other than that, we've literally had nothing. Off camera, my alarm just went off on this rod. It just started beeping. So I'm hoping something's playing with it, unless the creek chub just decided he was, you know, gonna move. Come on. We got 3 worms out. We got a creek chub, but we're gonna hope for the best. In the meantime, we're just gonna have fun. Whoa! See what happens if we put 2 baits down there. Probably get tangled up, but you know, it might work. Oh, I might have just got bit right there. Come on, come on, come on.
I did, but...
Oh, guys, so I didn't have the GoPro running. Andre just got annihilated on the worm, and he had something really big, which I'm guessing was probably a bass. Dang it, I wish I had the GoPro on, but it came off right at the ice. There we go, there's one. All right, there we go. Hey, dude. Hey, I'll take it. Not me getting them, but hey, someone's getting a fish. It's a first bluegill. I'll take it. Bass? Did you see it?
I'm pretty sure it was a bass.
Dude, it was big.
It was decent, but it wasn't like...
You getting bit again or no?
No, not yet. It'll come back for sure.
Heck yeah, dude. Okay. After a few hours of being out here, this is what we've been working with so far. But you know what? At the end of the day, if you're catching panfish like this or whatever you're catching, like, we're out here, like I said, probably 50 million times. No Vexilar, no flasher, no any kind of fish indicator whatsoever. We're out here off common knowledge from fishing here in the summertime, where I know that the water depths are at. We're getting down here and we're just putting in the work. Honestly, we only drilled 3 holes and we've just stuck to them the entire time, and you know, it's starting to pay off. I don't know why the bite has picked up here in the evening, but we're on them. So I'm gonna try and catch maybe 1 or 2 more, and then we're gonna go get some hot chocolate because it's cold.
Hello, fishy. Oh, there we go. Do you want to let it go?
You already got it in your hand.
Wait, it's so cute. By the what is that? Bass.
Little bluegill. Alrighty, guys. Unfortunately, we are calling it quits. We ended up hanging out with my friend, who actually is the reason I get to fish this place. So that's what that random fish taking off thing was. But thank you guys so much for sticking around for this episode. It wasn't as crazy as I thought it would be. I was really hoping we get out here and get into some real big bass, and if I had the right equipment, I could probably do so. But you know, it happens sometimes. We ended up catching a couple bluegills, so not a complete skunk. That's always awesome. And I technically ice fished in a creek and caught a creek chub, which was pretty different, I guess you would say. But hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below, drop a like if you guys like this video, and you know, drop a like if you like Dre.
Hey, stay warm out there, okay?
Dre says stay warm out there.
Stay warm out there.
All right, guys, we'll catch you later. Peace out.